So what is up mga soldiers, and welcome back. Minamalat ako. Yes, what is up mga soldiers, welcome back to my channel. This is your guy, your average sneaker guy, Japok, and welcome back to my channel nga. Paulit-ulit na ako. As you can see, medyo yung boses natin nawawala kasi we have been in this event, no, sa aming day job. We call this the Inside Racing Bike Fest and Trade Show. This is the biggest one after 2 years. Finally nakabalik kami, and this is our last day. But syempre hindi naman yan yung highlight ng ating vlog for today. Syempre yung pa rin sneakers pa rin tayo, no. Meron akong na-cup, well actually kukunin ko siya ngayon, so daanan natin siya. And this is a rare pair na hindi basta-basta, no. It's from the Adidas brand, and I'll do a very fast unboxing review para ipakita ko sa inyo how well this pair is. The looks, yung kakaiba siya, and not many people can rock this pair. And actually susuot ko yan ngayon sa event, so dadaanan lang natin siya para makuha natin, and I'll give you some thoughts about this sneaker. Okay? So guys, eto na nga, actually nandito na ako sa World Trade Center for our event, the Inside Racing Bike Show, and nakuha ko na yung pair kinap natin. This is a steel cup, and actually parang 30%, 50% na pala, 50% siya na nakuha ko siya. Yung retail niya is 6,500, so almost more than 3,000 yung ating na cup na pair. Well, this is it. This is the Forum Exhibit Mid na Adidas, and this is in collaboration with Melting Sadness. So napakalupit ng sapatos na to. Melting Sadness is a Japanese streetwear company. So yung designer niya is si Zimyu Babas, I don't know. So ang gagandaan tong marami tong klase ng sapatos with Adidas, and most of them yung lifestyle na shoes, na pairs, and it's so nice na parang ito yung Asian vibes, o yung parang Asian counterpart ni Jeremy Scott in terms of Adidas. Oh, yan. Oy, aray ko. So this is the Melting Sadness Forum Mid. Ang ganda, no? So ito si kalimutan ko yung pangalan, ilalagay ko na nga lang dyan. Yung name ng character na to is a bee, so bubuyog siya, and ang galing lang, no? Ang ganda. So yes sir, ang astig. Wow, I'm so amazed, no, with this pair at yung kanyang materials. Talagang wow, very intricate, premium materials yung pinagsama-sama with this price, no? Nakakagulat lang. So before we go there, tingnan natin kung ano pa yung nasa loob ng box. Nice, this is so nice. Actually ito yung parang yung puppeteer na series ni Melting Sadness, and look at the extra lace. Meron siyang black extra lace. So pansin niyo, 'di ba, yung puppet, yung classic puppet na may with strings attached. Yan, 'di ba? And may kasama siyang straps with the Adidas logo. So ito yung straps na makikita niyo sa mga forums. Syempre doon sa Quicks natin, forum, may ganito rin siya, extra straps. At ito, kaya sinabi ko parang Jeremy Scott vibes, no? astig lang, no? Very very cute. May kasamang bubuyog. So nice, 'di ba? Nung naka-display to, hindi ko naman siya nakita, and ito ngayon ko lang napansin yung mga nasa loob ng box. So B, and meron siyang garter. Actually nilalagay ito dun sa tongue. I'll show you later on how it was placed there. So let's go with our pair. Ito na siya. Ayan. This is so sick. Ang astig lang, no? I'll go with the left pair kasi may mga tags dito para hindi mahirap. So hindi ko alam kung paano ko sisimula ng review nitong sapatos na to. Sobrang sick lang siguro. Isa-isahin ko sa upper na lang, no? Etong grabe, no? Detailed strap. Grabe, transparent siya. Tapos parang yung nakikita nyo sa mga stuffed toy na material, ayan, sa lining niya. So natatanggal siya. So ayan. And this represents the wing of the bee, no? Ayan. Galing, ha? So dalawa siya sa kabila din. So meron siyang velcro that you can strap it here. So medyo mahaba yung kanyang strapping, ano. And dito rin sa kabila. And let's go sa tongue. Ayan, Melting Sadness nakalagay. Melting Sadness Adidas. And ang tongue niya is composed of, yun nga, parang yung, you can see all the materials in the stuffed toy is here. At ito is corduroy here. So you can see corduroy siya, and it goes deep down there hanggang dito. And dito ako na-amaze because as you can see, you will lace it dito sa baba. So your typical shoes, normally you lace it here, but meron kasing trick si Melting Sadness dyan in Adidas, wherein dito siya mag-hug and mag-fit sa inyo. So that is why I went half down of my size, which is 8.5, and it really fits me well, no? It really fits me well. I'm gonna rock this today. So ayun nga, yung layers of materials of this Forum Low is really amazing kasi it's a combination of a nubuck dito sa toe mudguard area. It's a nubuck, and pagdating din sa eyelets, it's also nubuck. It going down here, ito dito sa mid ng mga stripes is yung same material with the tongue. So parang corduroy din siya, and then the stripe is like felt na felt material, ganon. Same with the toe, no? So medyo furry siya na flat, pero hindi ganun ka fur. And of course the velcro strap, yellow dito, and then brownish dito. Yung color combination niya is composed of honey, parang honey siya, mustard, yellow, and orange, brown yung lace. So golden brown and golden color, no? Ganun ang combination ng kulay niya. Dito sa baba, andyan pa rin yung velcro, so you can go down hanggang dyan. So yung material nito is parang yung sa stuffed toy material. Well, ito nga yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, nasa baba yung lacing nito, and ito makikita nyo sa likod, sa heel is Melting Sadness. So I don't know bakit Melting Sadness. Actually may button siya rito. Ayan, natatanggal yan. I don't know kung natatanggal. Parang pin buo yan, no? Diba? It snaps. So pwede mo rin siyang gawing ganyan. It depends on you kung paano mo i-rock. But syempre mako-compromise yung tightness ng ano, ng laces mo kasi na-connect yan, no? There's the lace there. So mako-compromise yan. Ayan, makikita nyo diyan. Behind that is a suede material, yung stay ng nubuck, and this is orange. Ang ganda. There. So sa heel, ito, sting like a bee, yung sting ng bee, oh. Ayan, oh. Ang kulit, diba? But it's made of rubber, so it won't affect kung makatama ka. You won't be sting. And again, dito yung nubuck material. So skinny. And this premium leather here, very flat. Ang ganda with the Adidas lifestyle logo. And on the other side is meron siyang tag there, Adidas tag. So it's really nice, no? Nakaka-stock lang din tong pair na to. So ayan, naibalik ko na siya. So ito, dito nilalagay, no, yung let's go here. Dito nilalagay yung straps na pinakita ko sa inyo kanina, yung yellow straps. 'Di ba? Ito ginawan din ng detail ng Adidas to. Ang galing lang ng minds ng product development ng dalawang collaboration na to. So ito yung antenna ng B. So 'di ba? You will rock this with the antenna. It's so dope. So let's go with the midsole. So itong midsole niya is creamy yellowish midsole. So hindi siya white. It complements again this color blacking nito, talagang black lang yung pinaka minor color nito, but yung lahat ng hues ng yellow, color hue ng yellow, brown, mustardy, orange, so nandito nag-combine lahat. Sa outsole, I've wear a Forum before pero hindi ko siya na-rock ng matindi, pero based on what I see on this is the first time I had a very close look with the Forums, and I don't know kung ito talaga, no, you comment guys kung ganito talaga yung traction niya, yung outsole pattern, but it's so nice, no, and sinukat ko nga siya, very comfortable, napakalambot sa paa, and ewan ko na lang, parang wala na ako masabi dito. So guys, yun nga, yun ang ating initial unboxing review. I'm gonna rock this today para maramdaman ko din on how well. So ganun ako, nag-on fit ako afterwards, mga after a week or 3 times of usage. And pakita ko rin sa inyo kung paano ilalagay itong bubuyog dito. Basically, ilalagay mo lang siya dun sa tongue, no? Ilulusot mo siya sa tongue kasi meron naman siyang garterized dito. So ang kulit lang nito pag nilagay mo dito. Ayan, kulit. So nice though, kahit siguro yung isa lang merong pakpak, okay na yun, diba? So nice, and it will really turn heads, no? Ang kulit. So yun mga soldiers, thank you again for watching this video. I hope you can share also our videos, and for me naman, this is just a part of my collections, and syempre I don't know if I will be monetized, but hindi naman yung pinaka-aim ko. At least meron ako memories na nababalik-balikan, and to some of you who is supporting me all throughout, maraming salamat. And ayun, I'll see you on my next vlog guys, and I have to go inside. I'll give you some clips and with our last event. So yun lang guys, this is the Forum mid Melting Sadness collaboration with a B. Wow.